Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a vacuum cleaner from Jimmy. This is an anti-mite vacuum cleaner. The model name is BX7 Pro Max and it has very strong suction and it says efficiently removes dust mites. So if we have a look on the top of the box, we have some specs. So right here we have dual heating system with graphene heating plates plus hot air creates 65 degrees Celsius heat to fast dry bed and improve dust mite removing efficiency. We have LED UVC lights to kill bacteria and provides professional care for your family's health. We have a brush, spiral soft hair brush roll with silicone strips, so it will remove hairs like that, especially if you have pets. And we also have an HD LED display with a smart dust sensor, working mode, and bed cleanliness is visible. So basically we'll show you live information of what it does and what kind of mode it's using according to the state of your mattress. So yeah, basically that's it. This is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open it and I'm gonna show you guys what to get inside. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As always, we'll start with the small stuff first. We don't have a lot of accessories, but we do have a bristle with a plastic bristle on the other side. I think that's for cleaning the brush and obviously cleaning the filter inside. You can take this container out and clean it. Obviously remove all the dust and everything that it accumulates while you're hoovering. We have a instruction manual with pictures. This is basically like a user guide. If you read it, it's in multiple languages as well. It will tell you everything you need to know, which part does what. For example, this part is the graphene heating plate. There's a micro switch, UV LED light. So just give this a read. It will help you understand what this vacuum can do, how to use it properly actually, because I think it has like an overheating timer if you're using too much, but it should be enough for you to clean your whole mattress at once, then let it cool down for a bit and do it again. And this is the vacuum cleaner itself. As you can see, we have a pretty long cable. This is a UK mains cable, UK main socket. Obviously depending on your region you can get Europe, American, whatever they support. And this is how the vacuum looks like. As you can see, we have the dust container right here. We have an on and off switch. We have a mode button, so if you click on it, it will change the mode that it operates. And if we have a look on the side right here, we can see the design a little bit better. I really like this copper accents. I think it looks really good, especially with the gray and black with some copper accents. Looks really futuristic, let's say. And if I try to flip it so we can have a look on the bottom, we have the brush right here, we have the heating plate, we have the UV lights, and we have a lock mechanism right here. And right here, if you basically unlock it, you can remove the brush to clean it. I recommend doing that from time to time. I will most likely do it after 1 or 2 uses. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's how it looks. Another interesting part is the UV light right here. As you can see, it has some UV LED lights. Obviously that's to disinfect and kill bacteria and germs, which is really handy. They really thought about everything. And yeah, that's what you get. So for now, let's go ahead and put everything to work and give it a test. We're gonna test it on our mattress. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now everything is set up. I have plugged in the Jimmy vacuum cleaner to the UK main socket. Depending where you live, you will come with European or American socket, or in our case, UK socket. They have all the options. So Basically, it's super simple to use. All you have to do is just plug it in, make sure your mattress it's all visible. So if you have a mattress topper, please take that off as well. And all you have to do is just turn it on using this button. I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. As you can see, there's nothing inside of it. It's absolutely clean. Let's see if it does what they say it does. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on right now. Okay, so just using it for less than a minute, as you can see, already gathered some stuff, and the mattress was cleaned. It was clean before, but obviously not that good. After cleaning, it's obviously recommended to use the Jimmy vacuum cleaner to get all the mites off. You can also change the mode. So if you press the mode button while it's on, you will switch between UV and the hot plate. So let me just show you guys in a quick demo. Pressing the mode button right now. So you press the mode button, you will switch between on and off the UV light or the rotating brush. So it'll only have suction, not brushing it, but I suggest for the best clean results using all the modes as well. The UV light is also really important if you want to get rid of any bacteria or whatever. It will kill all of that. And yeah, pretty much that's it. It's working. 30 seconds of use, it already gathered a bunch of mites from a really tiny area. Obviously it's recommended to clean the whole mattress when you do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but I'm not gonna do it on video because I think it's just boring. But yeah, if you guys want to buy it, I'll have a link in the video description down below. You can check their Amazon store out. They have other models. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.